Rain again, Australia. 19th of December 2023. Tooma Caravan Park, Sharp Street. Been getting a bit of rain in the last few weeks. Been a fair bit of it. Thunder. Been pretty hot in the last few days. This is a nice change in the weather. Unit 26 of 286 Sharp Street in Cooma, New South Wales, Australia 2630. That's its address. I pay $320 Australian a week in rent to rent out the caravan. Christmas soon. Second Christmas without Mum. Bridget and Jacinda are going to drop around on Christmas Day in the afternoon. Jacinda told me that the other day. They're my sisters. Jacinta lives in Cooma and Bridget lives in Canberra. More thunder. There's the caravan. Been drinking a bit of this from Coles. 2-litre orange and mango fruit drink. And the orange fruit drink. Buy from Coles. Bought from Woolworths the other day, but both buy from Coles normally. So Jacinta works. You can possibly hear that thunder. The lighters I usually get, big lighters. They're pretty good. Bloke lives next door. That's a cabin sort of thing. There's some flat cabin things that just up there. They're rentable as well, but they'd cost a bit more. That cabin would probably cost more than this caravan a week. Bit better thing. Those almost flats up there, they'd probably cost a bit more still. Nice location, but quite idyllic here at the caravan back. In the 80s, I never got up here. Never got up and roamed around the caravan park. I was here in Cooma a decade, from 1980 to 1989. Never got up here in my wander, in my journeys. This is the other side of town. Of course, this is the west side, near Lambie Street, just up from the Haynes Centre, from the Bird's Nest at the moment. And this is Cooma West, I suppose, on the road to Berridale. We're in Bradley Street in the 80s, which is sort of central Cooma towards the northeast side. And then in all my troops and journeying around town, in my teens, of course, never got to this side of town. Got to this side of town a little bit, but never got up to the caravan park. Never explored this before. I was quite surprised when I first moved in. I was like, oh, this is quite nice. It's tapering off a fair bit of rain now. Coombe weather just isn't as bad as Perth weather. People have been watching my stuff for a while. I was in Perth, of course, for about a year and a month, and a year and a season. And it's hotter in Perth. It's hot and it's cold. It's not much warm. I wasn't there when I was there. Didn't have much medium sort of stuff, which is what I prefer. Here, Coombe's more a preferred weather to Perth for me. Much preferred this side of town, this side of the nation. It's probably more tolerable than Canberra weather because I grew up here and it's probably more tolerable. Probably more my scene, the weather here. Canberra's okay. Canberra weather's pretty good. This is probably more tolerable. Summer's just, it's down a bit on heat compared to Canberra. I had a hot day the other day. There's been a couple of hot days, but it's a little bit cooler than Canberra because it's up in the Alpine region a little bit more. And it actually snows here a bit in winter. You get a bit of snow from time to time. You do get snow in Canberra a little bit. You do get snow in Canberra as well. Well, that'll do. Rain Again Australia, 9th of December 2023. Daniel Daly. Cheers.